Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Thursday. Today is May the 7th. We are out here on our first and only job of today. I also had a consultation that was referred to me come in while on the way here, and she's actually in Cummings. So she's moving into her home. She said the painters made a mess all over her floors, a lot of scuff marks, things like that. So I told her we'll stop by, do a estimate consultation on the way back from here. So right now we're in the deep part of Cummings, 30028. This is William and his wife. They found me online. He said he watched my videos, read some of my reviews. He did pay for an in-home consultation. I came out here earlier this week. And they booked on the spot today for a wax removal and granite countertop clean and buffing. So let me show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we're in Cummings, beautiful property. Me and T are getting started. Show you what we got going. Nothing too much. Also, I had a screener recoat come in. They're also moving in. But I'll be out of town tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday. But Aaron and T are going to take care of that job while I'm out of town. So these are the floors, guys. Now, looking at the floors, you wouldn't think they were bad. When you see here, see right here, they do have a some wax on the floor of bone polish. See right here, and then sometimes people will drag things, and they're like, "Oh, my floors are messed up." Well, not really, especially people who have dogs. What it is, whatever what was dragged, it basically just pulled the wax off. So it's not a big job, guys. You can see all through here. You're gonna see a significant difference. All right here, all through here, and mostly in the kitchen. So what we're gonna be doing, we're setting up right now. We're gonna do this hallway, which isn't too bad, and just gonna stop here, then go down here. So what we're gonna do first is emulsify the wax, and what that basically means is take the wax back to a liquid form and all of this, and then also they added the countertops, and you can actually feel and see the residue on them, so they're gonna look so much better. And then here, and then going back out where I came from. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get this party started. Stay tuned.
Yeah! Truman in the building. Wax coming up off them floors tonight. Countertop shining like a chandelier. Ooh-wee. One day magic, baby. Wax removal, strip it down clean, bring the whole floor back, make it look mean. Granite countertops, mirror-like glow. Truman pull up, now the whole house frozen. Wax removal, bring the shine back. Countertops dancing when the light hit back. Ooh, look what Truman done did. Whole house looking brand new again. Pulled up deep with the buffering pads. Client said, Truman, man, these flows bad. On acrylic wax, all yellow and thick. Now we breaking it down with the professional mix. Careful on the corners, careful on the grain. Years of builder, got the flow looking strange. Hit it with the system, lift it real slow. Now the natural wood finally starting to show. Atlanta nights, truck lights glowing. Blue and yellow van, and the business still growing. Google reviews, got the phone still jumping. Countertop shining while the bass still bumping. They thought the flow was over with, thought it had to go. So Truman hit the wax removal. Now it's slow to show. Wax removal, strip it down clean, bring the whole flow back, make it look mean. Granite countertops, mirror-like glow. Truman pull up, now the whole house frozen. Wax removal, bring the shine back. Countertops dancing when the light hit back. Ooh-wee. Look what Truman done did. Whole house looking brand new again. Now we in the kitchen going crazy on stone. Granite countertops looking freshly installed. Polishing buff to the reflection HD. Now the whole family taking pictures for the IG. Quartz, marble, granite too. Truman restoration, what we came to do. Light hit the island, now it sparkle like glass. Neighbors walking in like, who did that? Micro fiber tiles, edges detailed. Every little section professionally sealed. Not replacing nothing, we restoring the look. Now the realtor calling, trying to get us booked. Oh. shining. Everything fresh. Perfect timing. One-day systems. Professional touch. Truman Hardwood, man, we doing too much. Wax removal kings. Countertops elite. Atlanta, Georgia. Got the whole game beat. Strip it down, Truman style.
All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Got the countertops done, floors done. Client loves the results. All right, about to go do a consultation here in Cumming, and I will be off for the rest of the week. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.